celebrate crafting day, we have an access subscriber mystery box. That means that it has a cutie in it and it is a brand new color, not released before. And I want you to meet True Orange. How cute is he? Right in time for fall. So make sure that if I were you, I would click those links down below, go grab this box now, and then come back and see what's inside this Fall is in the Air mystery box. I have a feeling it's going to go pretty fast. The group code CUTIES does not work on the mystery boxes because they're an incredibly discounted value at $59.99, and it has a retail value of $125.90. However, your access subscription discount is going to apply automatically to it. The group code will work on any eligible items that you may add to your cart with this mystery box. So I am an official Cricut product expert team member. Cricut does not pay me to make these videos for you, but they are kind enough to send me these mystery boxes in advance so I can show you some of the products inside and how to use them. As an affiliate, I will earn a commission at no additional cost to you, but only if you click my links and you make a purchase after clicking on my links. When you use those links, you're still shopping on the official Cricut website, just so that you know that you are going to the official Cricut website through my links. After the products reveal, I'm going to create something using at least one item from this box. So go get the box. It's a great way to build your stash and then come back here for a great fun project. Plus, I have a little bonus for you. All right, so let's dig into this box and let's take a look at what's inside. Of course, you're going to get your True Orange Cutie, and then you're going to get a pack of the foil transfer sheets in metallic, and I think there are 4 of each, but I'm going to use these. I know I'm going to use them, so I'm just going to open it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I believe it's 8 if I counted right. So you're going to get them in the rose gold, in the gold, and in the silver. So, and you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sheets of the tapes as well. So you've got plenty of tape, and I have reused my tapes. So I'm going to show you something that I use these on. If you don't have the foil transfer tool, grab that while you're there. Also in this, you're going to get the craftboard metals, and I believe there's 5 sheets of each color in here for a total of 30 sheets. Love this stuff, guys. Cuts like a dream, and you can deboss on it too. So if you don't have the debossing tool and you have the Maker 3, or the Maker, grab it. This is the green color that's in there. Isn't that gorgeous? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 6 sheets of each. So you've got the green, the gold, you've got the silver, you've got the black, and you've got the rose gold. And I used these 2 with those foil sheets. If you follow me, you probably already know what that bonus surprise is that I'm going to show you. So you get that, and you get the metals. And let's see, this is, and I already opened this one up because I wanted to check it. This is the premium vinyl and permanent. There is a sheet of Tangerine and a sheet of the Maize yellow, I believe. Yep, Maize yellow and Tangerine. Now, it's covered with a piece of paper, so if it tears when you take it off, don't panic. It's just a paper cover to keep from scratching your vinyl. And they look almost identical. There's a shade difference in this. This is your Maize yellow, this is your Tangerine on the top. And these sheets are, let me measure them. Wow, that's 36, that's 3 feet. So 36, and let's see. Looks like a 48-inch roll. That's an estimate. I think it's a 48-inch roll or sheet of each. So awesome, awesome, awesome. 48 inches of the vinyl in the Maize yellow, and the Tangerine. Next, we have Everyday Iron-On Sampler in the neutral. This is the and a sheet of the wine. So you get the neutrals and the wine sheet. Let's open this up. Get my weeding tool, my True Control tool set. Get this tape going here. I love the iron-on. You may use this in a project. I haven't decided yet. Let's see. And these are, looks like 12 by 12. You're going to get, yep, 12 by 12, two of the wine in 12 by 12. And you're going to get in the neutrals, it's like, that's one sheet. You're going to get one sheet of the tan, one 12 by 12 sheet of the white, and then one 12 by 12 sheet of the chocolate brown. So you're going to get 5 12 by 12 sheets of the Everyday Iron-On in the neutrals and in the wine. So have those. Next, you're going to get adhesive foil in gold. Guys, this is awesome to use on cards, on cups. What else have I used this on? Shadow boxes. Lots of uses for this. I'm going to see how big this adhesive gold is. And let's see. And that's 36. So I'm going to measure this out here. Yep, 48 inches. You get 48-inch sheet of the adhesive foil in the gold. You are going to get the premium vinyl and permanent holographic threads. This stuff is just gorgeous. I have to open this and show it to you. Just not even for the size, but just for the effect. This stuff is just beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. My camera's reflecting in it, but that's okay. Gorgeous. You're going to get it in the blue. This is the Mesa sampler, by the way, and in the orange and the silver. I don't know if that's orange or gold, but it's beautiful. Look at that. Awesome, awesome, awesome stuff. Love it. I think the silver is my favorite. I don't know, the blue is awfully pretty. And it is these are 12 by 24 sheets. 12 by 24 sheets on those. And then last but not least, one of my absolute favorites, you follow me, you know this, is the rose gold iron-on. Rose gold iron-on. Let's get that tape off of there. A little residue. There we go. Got it. Love this. And this is a 12 by 24 sheet of the rose gold iron-on. So let's go back over. We're going to get the 12 by 24 rose gold iron-on. You're going to get the Mesa sampler in the threads permanent vinyl. These are 12 by 24s. You're going to get the adhesive. You're going to get the adhesive foil in gold, and that's a 12 by 48. You are going to get the Tangerine and the Maize yellow. There is a color difference in 12 by 48 from those. And you're going to get 5 12 by 12 sheets of the Everyday Iron-On in the neutral sampler and in the wine color. You get 2 sheets of the wine and 1 sheet of the natural sampler. So those are all included. You're going to get 30 sheets of the craft board from Cricut. It is craft board. And then you're going to get your orange cutie. So that's what's included. I told you I had a little bonus. I made this box, and out of that, I used the craft board. I used the craft board for the fall and the black. I used Cricut cardstock. Guys, if they still have it, it's on clearance for the fall pack. And then I used some of the reds as well. The fall pack does not have the reds in it. And then I use the natural craft boards for the base. So if you want to grab that while you're there, it makes great boxes. And remember, I told you you could deboss on that. Isn't that pretty? So you can deboss on it. And then again, you're going to get the foils in the metals, which is the silver, rose gold, and gold with their tapes. And we foiled on this. So if you don't have a foiling tool, grab that foiling tool. Love this box. So go grab that box, come back, and we're going to do another project. I'll be right back. Okay, so hopefully you have grabbed that mystery box and you're back for this tutorial. Now again, I released this last week. I had no clue that these were going to be in the these products were going to be in that mystery box, but I did release that. You can find this file on my profile. I have it there for you. So go and enjoy that file, and then you're going to get this file too. I got this placemat. It was on clearance at Hobby Lobby. You can find them just about anywhere, any of your stores like Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michael's. Sometimes you can find things on clearance and they'll work. They only had one, but I thought it would be perfect for my table. I have a small table in this apartment, so I thought this would be perfect for the center of my table with my lantern that has my potpourri in it. So I have chosen to use the rose gold iron-on from that pack, and I have mirrored my image. Don't forget to mirror. And I have cut it, and now we're going to weed it. You always want to cut with the shiny side down when you're using this material. And I have some really fine lines here, so I'm going to be very, very careful here. You can do this. Again, some of these are very, very fine. Just going to pull out all the unwanted material. I will probably speed through this part, but you can see what I'm doing. I'm taking out everything that I don't need and only leaving the parts of the image that I want to iron on. And we're making sure that none of these tiny little bits that we're weeding out, you want to make sure that they do not get stuck to your liner, because then you'll iron them on. So once you have it all weeded, we're going to come back and we are going to iron this on. And I am going to heat up my Easy Press 3, get my phone for the Cricut Heat app. We're going to use that as well. If you have a regular Easy Press, you're going to use the Easy Press guide. If you have an Easy Press 3, you're going to use that Cricut Heat app. So let's speed through and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, here I am, and we've already weeded. So now I've got my press out and I heated it up for everyday iron on. So I am going to temp down on this. I'm going to select my temp button and temp down because I know that's going to be too high. We're going to say 295. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So I'm going to start a new project, and I am on the Easy Press app here, and I'm going to select my transfer material. Your transfer material is the type iron on, so I'm going to select foil iron on, and then this was on clearance, like I said, at Hobby Lobby. Cotton, polyester, other fibers. So I'm gonna say that this is a cotton poly blend. And so it's got my Easy Press 3, my 9x9 foil iron-on work surface, my Cricut pressing mat. If you don't have an Easy Press mat, you can hit the information button. It's going to tell you what to do. We're going to hit next. And yay, I was right, 295. I do use foil a lot. So 295, we're going to press it for 35 seconds on preheat. We're going to flip it and press it 15 seconds after pressing 30 seconds, and then we're going to cool. However, this is not wearable. So because it's not wearable and the backing of this is 100% polyester, I don't want to melt the backing on it. So this is going to sit on my table. I'm not going to have to launder it, and once a week or anything like that. So, and if I have to launder it, I'll hand wash it. So I am not going to press the back, even though it tells me to. I'm not going to do that for this project. If it was a shirt, then yes, you would press the back. So we're going to preheat. I'm going to take that off. We're going to preheat for 5 seconds. Let me send it over. Let's do our preheat. So we send that over and we hit the go button, and you can see it's going to do 5 seconds. Just so you guys can see it, but because I'm doing 2 areas, I'm going to press another 5 seconds. And we'll just count down. And there we go. So now we're going to bring in our image. I'll let that cool a second. I don't want it peeling off of I have a little piece. That's what I'm talking about. Make sure that any of your weeding pieces do not stick to your backing, because it will iron it on. There we go. Got it. And I'm going to line this up. That's where I want it. Looks even. And I'm going to press right on top of my press. So we're going to send that over. We're going to do 30 seconds. And I'm going to speed through here. We're going to take that off. And now I'm just going to slide this down without disturbing that. And we're going to press this side. Just light pressure. And again, I'm going to speed through here. This is saying 15 seconds because it thinks I'm pressing the back, but we're going to go another 15 seconds. All right. Now we're going to let this cool completely. Do not peel your foil iron on while it's warm or hot. It will mess up your foil look. So let's get this completely cool, and then we'll come back and we will show the final result. Okay, and we are back, and this is cooled. So now we're just going to peel off that transfer liner. I love Cricut foil. How gorgeous is that, guys? You're going to get that mirror-like shine. It's going to be very, very, very pretty. Oops, and I just dumped everything out of my lantern here. I had it all set up and ready to go. There we go. We'll just put it back in there. How cute is that going to be on my table? I just love it. Love, love, love. All right, you guys have a wonderful day, and I will catch you on the next video. Make sure you've grabbed that mystery box. Happy crafting!